Hello, I am Maritime, the head of development for Iberdrola activities in offshore in France. Iberdrola has just finalized the commissioning of the offshore wind farm of 𝗪𝗲𝗯, which is the second offshore wind farm in France and the first one in Brittany. Offshore wind farms are unique structures that require safety protocols to mitigate the risks and ensure the well-being of personnel working on the installation as well as the other sea users. Clear communication, navigation aids, collaboration with maritime authorities are key factors promoting safety practice for all sea users. By fostering a culture of vigilance and preparedness, the offshore wind industry can be integrated into the surrounding environment while prioritizing safety of workers and maritime activities in the offshore environment. This workshop, involving key stakeholders, focuses on the implementation of marine safety during construction phase of an offshore wind farm. Come meet us at SEADEC Week from the 15th to the 17th of October in Brest, an international event you can